curate YouTube videos and transcribe them in minutes and publish it as a gallery or a carousel anywhere on your website. In this presentation, I will show you how you can use Curator or Chromium extension and video highlight, a new ChatGPT artificial intelligence tool to transcribe any length video within a few minutes and publish that on your website. This tool is really different than anything that you have seen, so take a look. Let's start with this curated library of YouTube videos. I have used Curator to curate each one of these videos on this page and then publish them to my website or web page over here by simply adding the embed code. Now every time I add new videos to my library, it's going to automatically be published here. Users can view the videos directly on the page by simply clicking on the video. And here you can see the transcripts that I have generated using video highlight. Video highlight breaks down the entire video into sections. It gives you a quick summary of what that section is about, along with a timestamp, and then highlights of what is being talked about. Extremely valuable for you to later refer back and understand and quickly access information in this video. Let's face it, most people don't have a patience to sit through an entire video, but creating a transcript like this allows them to quickly jump to the areas of interest within the video. Users can use the content tags on the page or here in the drop-down menu, publisher, author, content tags, to quickly filter information, as you can see over here. Now let's take a look and see how we are going to curate these videos using Curator and then use video highlight to generate the transcripts. Curator is a Chromium extension. It works with Chrome, Edge, Brave, Vivaldi, and other Chromium-based browsers. There are two ways to curate YouTube videos with Curator. You can either like the video, and you can do this obviously on the desktop, but also when you're watching it on TV or you're watching YouTube on your phone. When you like it, it will automatically add it to Curator. You can also add it manually by activating the Curator icon. Now it's going to scrape information off of the page. You can edit the headline. I like to put Noam Chomsky here in the author space instead of the headline, and then add content tags. And these are really important because, as we saw before, this is what allows users to navigate and filter information by context. And when you want to publish the content to carousels, these content tags will allow you to select what is going to get published. Next, we're going to take a look and see how we're going to transcribe content for the description section over here. So in order to do that, I'm going to copy the URL from here, say create. Now I'm going to go over to video highlight. You need to register an account. It's easy and it's free right now. And then simply paste the video and click summarize. And as you do, the program is going to generate a transcript. I've had videos as long as an hour and a half to 2 hours, and it takes a few minutes for it to do that. This video is only, I believe, 7 minutes or so long, so it doesn't take that long to do. And once it finishes transcribing, then you can simply click on the copy. It's going to copy the transcription on the clipboard. Then I'm going to go back to the video page, activate the Curator dialog, and simply paste the content in here. Now I'm going to now edit the description, take out this link, go to the top and take out this, and here we are. This is a transcript of the video that was generated within a few minutes, and you can save and publish your video with this detailed transcription. Next, we're gonna take a look at the Curator to see how we are going to organize our content and publish it to the website. Curator stores your curated links inside of collections that you create. If you add YouTube videos automatically by liking them, it's going to add them to this YouTube folder. And from there, you can manage and copy and paste videos to different folders. I have created, as you can see, different collections based on the topic. For example, I would like to take this one on human language and transfer it to my industry videos. So I'm going to simply drag it and drop it on top of the industry videos and move it like that. I can also share these folders with my colleagues, so you can have multiple people contributing content to this collection and have a manager then go in and add the transcriptions and the content tags and publish them. So once you create your collections, then you're able to publish the content. And to publish directly from Curator, we have the sync folders down below. So you have to add the folder here to the sync folder. Here are the industry videos, and we have two different methods of publishing them. Right click on the video, you can either publish them as a library or as a carousel. In order to publish carousels, you can use the filter tags to select what you want to publish. For example, here, artificial intelligence. If I select artificial intelligence, there are 4 different videos on this topic, and then I can generate a YouTube carousel HTML, and that will copy that carousel to my web page. Next, we're going to take a look at the web page to see how that works. I've created this demo page on our website to show you how the YouTube carousel and library work. Here is the YouTube carousel that we just created with the artificial intelligence. You can see that there are 4 videos. It's going to come back, and when I click on the video, again, it's going to launch the video on my site. You can see that this, for example, is a much longer transcription of 1 hour and 5 minutes, and the entire transcript is right below. So people can then very easily and quickly look at the different sections of this video, use the timestamps to navigate to the right location within that video, and refer to it anytime that they want. Down below, we have the entire YouTube gallery. So every video in that collection is now available here, and just like inside of Curator, users can use the content tags, publisher and author tags to quickly navigate it. So if I select Noam Chomsky, now I can see every Noam Chomsky video that I have in this collection. And this is how easy and powerful it is for you to curate, transcribe, and publish these videos onto your website. Now, whether you're an educator, an activist, or any kind of an interest, YouTube is such a incredible resource for news and information, and these curated libraries can establish you as a thought leader in your field.